Let's take a tour of this beautiful property in the Claraboya neighborhood in northwest Claremont, here on a cul-de-sac. Very quiet, scenic, beautiful views. Wait for the views at the end of this video. This property has 4-car individual garages, lots of parking for 5 more cars outside, and a really classy, updated home on one single level, which is really cool. We've got 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, all on one level with tons of space to entertain. Nice views from this whole space here. Nice kitchen with a center island with recessed lights and a view of the valley from the sink. What a beautiful place to hang out. Have a little morning cup. Here's a family room next to the kitchen with a fireplace and an office with views of the valley. Let's take a walk down the hall. Beautiful marble tile as we enter the powder room here. And I'll show you the inside of the garage really quickly. Lots of space with cabinets built out. Finished floors. Tons of space here. A nice deep laundry room. Nice skylights here throughout with a cool bar and an indoor planter. I'm gonna go down this hallway, check out the bathroom with a separate shower and tub. Really cool wallpaper designs here with linen closets. Here's the first of 5 bedrooms with a nice skylight right in the middle of the room. Here is the second of 5 bedrooms. Nice, quiet privacy facing the backyard, which we're going to check out at the end. Here's the primary suite. Very spacious, with its own office area. I'm going to check that out in a minute. Here is the primary bath. Nice sunken tub. Really cool tile design in there. Dual vanity with makeup station. Separate water closet with a shower and toilet. And a walk-in closet as well. Coming back to this sitting area. Very nice place to sit in the mornings or at night with its own little mini split AC unit. View of the pool and the valley. We'll check those out in a minute. Now this setup is very unique because you've got 4,100 square feet on one floor, 3-bed, 2-bath in this primary suite area, which actually closes off. So you can have real privacy if you have guests over. Now we've got a bar with a skylight over this planter. Very fun situation. This is a great entertaining space. Superbowl parties, movie nights, you name it. Surround sound, up lighting. There's actually a projector set up here with a screen that comes down, so you can really enjoy the space with your friends and family, with a very tranquil water feature just outside with lots of natural light. We're going to come back and check that out in a minute. Down this hall, we've got 2 bedrooms and a bath Here's the first bedroom. Here is the second bedroom. And here's another full bath. Pedestal sink, full jacuzzi tub, and a standalone shower. Now, let's go outside, take a quick look at the yard and views. Really nice water feature here. Succulents on the hillside. Little planter. Can easily add a barbecue station here if desired. Nice place to walk. Stepping stones. Beautiful garden with a fig tree, and one's coming out right now. Nice looking hillside, retaining wall. Looks great. Beautiful pool with jacuzzi. Now this is a place to hang out in the summer with a view. Rose bushes, a nice covered area here. Please call if you have any questions. If you want to see this house in person, would love to help you. And please feel free to share this video with anyone else you think may be interested.